What's good, everybody? It's Big C90210 here, and today this is another one of the videos of my server admin series. What I'm going to be showing you today is one of the more advanced features of Frontrunner Text Server Manager that seems to confuse a lot of people, but in fact is very easy to use. So today we're going to be concentrating on the email tab, and this is what it lets you do. Say, as an example, you are in game and one of your players spots a hacker, like, oh my god, look at that bush. That bush is clearly hacking. What they can do is they can press in chat, they can say /admin, OMG, that bush is hacking. Okay? Now, say that bush really was hacking, obviously you as the server admin would want to know about it. So, you're sitting there having your lunch or whatever, and then all of a sudden you get an email through on your phone. And then when you go inside of it, it is, oh my god, that bush is hacking. So, the whole idea of this is that this feature allows players in-game to email you, the admin, or a team of admins outside of the game, which is pretty fucking cool. So, let's go over how you do this, because it's actually pretty straightforward, but a lot of people seem to get confused about it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to Gmail, get your fat ass over to Gmail, and create a Gmail account, okay? To be honest, this is just going to be used, I'll explain why you want to create a new Gmail account. To be honest, you could use your own Gmail account. I'm using Gmail in this case because it's just the easiest to set up. You could use your personal account, but just as an example, say you shared the server with a few people, you mightn't want to use your own email address. So this is the reason why I suggest setting one up. So you could call it 7 days server, and then you can say Big C 7 days to die server at gmail.com or something like that. Okay. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I've already created a Gmail account. That's all you got to do. You fill in this shit and then you press create at the bottom. Okay, but I trust you can do that on your own. So, I have created an email address called colin.chambers@gmail.com. Okay? So, the information that you need to put in here is you need to put in SM, S for sugar, M for mother, T for tits, P for pedo.gmail.com. Okay, smtp.gmail.com. That's all you need to put in the top. In the next one, you need to put in the full email address that you have just created. So I made colin.chambers.email@gmail.com, but obviously you could call yours, or the one that I was just about to make there was bigc902, well, bigc.7daystoDie.server@gmail.com, but whatever your email address that you've just created, it goes in here. Now next up is the admins that you want to email. Now this top one is the host, so this just means send the host through Gmail. The username just means send it through this account. Okay, so now we're up to send it to these admins. So just as an example, this email address here is actually my real email address. Okay, you can separate multiple email addresses with a comma. So we have a comma, and then we have evil.set.md@gmail.com, which is one of my other admins. Okay, so it means when somebody types /admin in there and then types in a message, we both get a copy of it. Subject prefix is 7d2d server alert. You can put anything you want in here. So what it means that when it comes through into your inbox, this is the email subject. So it means you can see, oh, it's an alert, and some Big C90210, which is me, done /admin, and he typed that message, oh my god, that bush is hacking. Okay, so leave port 587 as it is, keep that box ticked so it means your emails are encrypted, well, uses SSL. And here is the last thing, ignore the fact that it says invalid password. Type the password for your Gmail address into here. Okay, it is case sensitive, obviously, but imagine you were logging into Gmail. You would log in with your username and password. So this password is for the email address you've just set up. Okay, it's that simple. You can press test send email. So if I press that, then what would happen is sooner or later, oh, there we go. Another one's just come through. Test 1, 2, 3. This is from the server manager by FrontRunner Tech. Okay, so there's extra shit here. Oh, there we go. Thank you very much. There's extra shit here, so you can get it to email you as soon as there's a kick or a ban. Every time the server manager connects to the server, every time it restarts, every time someone's... So with this ticked, people can do the /admin. If this is not ticked, then people can't. And for some strange reason, you might want to know when there's no players online. So I'm just going to do this again, so you guys get to see how fast this is. So we're in game. Oh my god, it's night time. Oh my god, so we can go, oh my god, /admin. It's so dark. Okay, and we've just typed that in game. And then over here, oh, there it is. There it is. Oh my god, it's so dark. Okay, so you can use this feature to kind of give your players confidence that you know what I mean. If there's a hacker, it means you can get on the scene quickly. It means you can get it sorted, and it means people will see you in action. Anyway, it's as straightforward as that. It doesn't need to be any more complicated than this. I'm Big C 90210. Get this implemented, and FrontRunner Tech is a hero as ever. I'm out. Catch you later, guys.